Thank you, Garrison.
There's still a lot of powder in there.
Oh!
Look, you got it in land.
The boy don't play, boy. He got that first one. Oh, it's a very good. You better. Boy, he got that down in no time, boy. He wasn't playing around. Boy, that went down. He knows what to do now, boy. That one's let me out, let me out, let me out, let me out. Poor thing, he is trying to get out of there. He's scared to death. Good reason to be. You're next.
Okay, another note to self, don't spray the thing. All its calcium's washing off. He said, you're next, buddy. It's your turn. Oh!
Oh, did that one get away? Oh, he got the second.
He used his front paws on that one.
Look at his little side. Breathing.
Oh, I better be careful. I don't want to give this
His
up.
paws under him on this side.
He says, all I'm focusing on is this cricket right now.
That's a big
one time
cricket.
on the one that we didn't record, he had it with his butt sticking out, and he squished that thing, and there was guts.
Oh, coming out of the bottom. I'm not sure that one of them even reached the ground. We think maybe he grabbed it before it got there.
I wonder if he'll grab that leg on the floor.
See, I just gotta get better at all this calcium gets everywhere.
I wish I'd have recorded it better, but he was at an odd angle. I got him, but he's well, he's
stretching out for that
well,
thing to go
tell
down.
ya.
Yeah, he like reaches his neck up, and
Yeah, he's stretching.
look, he's got it in his throat. You can see it hanging down. He looks fat. Fat throat.
Wow. Django, you the gecko.